If you are looking to lose weight, then this video is for you. Make sure you keep on watching because I am going to give you 5 tips to get your diet going and to have the motivation you need. Let's go! Welcome back to Supermom TV. So many of my friends were asking me, how do I be so determined in losing weight? So today I have 5 diet motivation tips specially for you, and I tell you these tips are really very effective because it is going to mess up with your mind. Make sure that you stick around to the end and watch all my 5 diet motivation tips. So my tip number 1 is very simple. Just tell everyone. Tell your family members. Tell everyone on your social media.
I thought you are on keto diet.
This is very effective in order to remind yourself to be strict on this diet. Here is my tip number 2 for you, is to buy smaller clothes. I bought this about 2 years ago, right after I gave birth to my second son. At that point of time, my size was L size, and I especially buy S size. I know that I can't fit in, but one day I shall be able to fit in. And voila! I just tried it today and I can fit in without any bulge. So previously it was like a big bulge here. So guys, remember, don't hesitate to buy the smaller size because one day you will be able to fit in. Every single time when I browse for clothes to wear in my wardrobe, I will see this jumper and I tell myself one day I will be able to fit in, and finally I can fit in. And this is the greatest satisfaction of all.
Tip number 3 is clear your fridge. Dispose all the unwanted sweets and desserts that are not friendly to your diet, and only stock up in all healthy food. So every time when you go to the fridge and you wish to snack, you snack on healthy stuff because that is all that is available inside your fridge. Tip number 4 is to do your food swaps. Swap your cow's milk to unsweetened almond milk, or your beer to wine, your rice to cauliflower rice. These are some of the examples of what you can do for food swaps. And the very last tip is to watch Hot Babes.
Oh my god, look at that bogey. I want to look like them. I want to look like them right now. I don't want to eat anymore.
So when you watch Hot Babes, you desire to want to have their body. So this is a very good motivation for yourself because you want to have that body.
So there you have it. That's my 5 diet motivation tips. I hope that you implement all the 5 tips and see how it will help your diet journey. It has helped me tremendously, especially my very first tip, which is tell everyone. Because I don't want people to think that I'm a loser. And whenever I meet up with my friends and if I'm not on that diet, my friend will be asking me, I thought you're on diet, how come you can eat this? How come you can eat rice? How come you can eat noodles? So yeah, so tell everyone your goals. Feed your post with all the healthy and diet related food. Not just that you can motivate yourself, you can also influence your friends and family to go on the diet with you. If you have more friends and family that join your diet, then this will be even more fun. You can create chat groups and encourage each other. So this is a bonus tip for you. So that's all for today. If you like my diet videos, please like and share my video. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to me and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!